What's up, guys? So today I'm making a short video because I am not feeling good. I am feeling under the weather, but we are going to pot up this. I think it's a philodendron. I don't know 100%, but we're going to pot it up in this little guy right here. And it's this plant has been living on my desk for months now. You can see the roots in there. I'm not sure how good this is going to come out. Hopefully it's going to come out good. But let's get to work. I got my topsoil. Not topsoil, my planting soil. Right down here in the bag. And I guess we just do it, huh? Pull it out of the water. Look at the roots on that thing. Again, I don't know how much you guys can see. Hopefully you could see it all. That would be awesome. But I'm using my Canon, what is it? Rebel T100. This is the camera that I bought to mainly do still shots with, but I'm kind of liking some of the video that it puts out. So we're doing that. We're doing a thing. And I'm definitely going to be putting this right back on the desk again. Let's get the little leafy out of there. Let's let it soak. I gotta kind of hold it in my water there till it gets a little weight to it. Is that gonna be okay? Yeah, that's gonna be okay. So tonight we've got the fire going. We've got the, oh, you know what? I'll just show you. It looks terribly out of focus. Is it out of focus? It is, isn't it? How can I get it in focus? Let me try. I'm going to stop it. There we go. That's better. So we've got the fire going down there. Got the rainbow lights chilling out in the corner. I really like these lights. And hey, fishy fishy. So I'm realizing now that we've done the focus thing, that this whole video was probably out of focus. I hope it wasn't, but like I said, guys, I wanted to do a short planting of that. I believe it's a philodendron, I'm pretty sure. I can now empty this out and clean it out. Let some of that soil settle in there. And hopefully this will do good. Just hanging out on my desk like it has for months. But alright, guys, I'm going to take off out of here. I am going to go and watch some YouTube and chillax for a little bit because, like I said, I'm not feeling good. I don't know what it is. My sinuses are funny. I feel hot. I don't have a fever or anything. My temperature's normal. I just feel it's like a hot flash or something, and my kidneys killing me. My body kind of aches. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing great. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a million, everyone.